just going to let a client down, which I don't like doing. It was supposed to be there Monday. It's a bit of a nightmare, this job. It's just the digging's just been absolutely horrendous. It's been really, really hard. Good morning. Monday morning again. The dreaded Monday morning. Very dark and misty. Go into abyss down there. Looks actually lighter on camera. Don't know what's going on with that light still, but anyway, we're at a local school just exactly not far from us for a couple of days, so doing some 358 and mess stuff. We've done some there before. Basically they're making the classroom into individual classrooms, splitting them up. And I think they're putting new doorways in, stuff like that. But yeah, we'll have to work with Guy there on site, Davies, taking windows out and putting doorways in. So yeah, we're just going to have a quick cuppa. I don't know where Carl and Jamie are. No doubt Jamie's pouncing around coming out of the house. But luckily, like I say, we're on the right corner. It's not like we've got to travel miles. What's going on here? What's going on there? Look at them. He's dumped my pans there. So yeah, let's see which job it is. Oh yeah, it's actually this one here. I better get fork truck started actually. Yeah, I'll get Keith up fork truck now. Ben's just got kettle on, and we'll get sorted out and loaded up, and we'll see you soon. Beachcliff School, we'll just try to suss out where it's going. We think it's off of it. It's been a while since we've been here, but there was some massive trees here that have been cut down. We think it's going similar to that one we did over there. It's going across here somewhere and returning. And then there's a bit route back there. So we'll just see if we can get him out now to tell us exactly where it's going and get out and get on with it. We've got them in. Just working a big line out now. A slight gap that in, but we've just had him out and he wants us to just fill it in. Then there's a bit route back to go. Yeah, so it's just in time now, it's a little update, but we've got these in. There, just finished that line. That last one there was a right bugger. Just total tree roots, because they actually had a load of trees cut down here. And we've just stump grinded them on top. So it's been a bit of a nightmare. We'll get that done, then we're putting this dividing fence in here. Then tomorrow we've got round back there to do. On Wednesday morning we'll panel it. Not bad for a rainy Monday, although it's stopped now, sun's trying to get out, so long may it continue. Good morning, Tuesday. Wet Tuesday, but it's not raining at the minute. It holds off and it's all been overnight. We're just back around at Beachcliff this morning, sorted out. Ben's already, he took van last night, so he lives in Cleckheaton. Powder Quarters is at Cleckheaton, this is his van. We're more or less loaded up, we just need his tools on. Digging gear, and get it all posted today. See how we get on. Might even have a chance to nip back and get a few panels loaded. We'll see how we get on. If not, we'll get all these on tomorrow. There should be a few left, I believe, so there's plenty there. That's that job for next week actually, that, yeah. So anyway, I'll get off, we'll get loaded up and we'll see you around at Beachcliff. Morning, yeah, so we just got to Beachcliff. Luckily it's on around the corner for us. I've been here 10 minutes actually, but lads are just having a sandwich. I'm on a diet so I can't have out. But it's in the fat faces as well. I can't have out, so I'm trying to avoid these fat boys. But we're all loaded up. Ben's been in touch, he went straight for the gate this morning, so he shouldn't be far off. We've got a gate to go around the corner, but I'll just show you what we did yesterday. I can't remember what I filmed just as it was pinning it down, but yeah, we've got this posted here. What's happening is they're going to put doorways in like they have there. These are just like breakout areas for kids. And we're fencing that, so we've got one more post to go in there, and then we've got to go around back here, although it's still locked up, so he needs to get that opened. I don't know if you can see him. There's Lance. And there's Dennis. I got him into the school trust and the flying. Yeah, so anyway, we'll get on with this. Let lads finish the sandwich and then we'll get on with it. It's at school in Castleford. Come for a survey actually. I have a feeling some other fences have just turned up to serve. Saw two guys going in. I'll just stop here because I think kids are in, so anyway, I'll go see what the crack is. It's not what they're after. I'll go see the bloke now, hopefully. And then I've got to shoot straight back with lads and get that job finished, and then we've got to do another one this afternoon, put on a gate leaf repair on a job we've done previous. Anyway, I'm at reception here, so I'll buzz in now and I'll get off. I'm just at the back of the school. Sort of 40 metres to go on this wall and crank post, so I'm going to give them option of the steel palisade there or mesh. I think it'd be better in mesh. It's probably a metre above and the wall is 250. So I'll just measure down the back of it now, but yeah. So if you see, these are banging down a bit there, so I might get it something like that. I'm up there, but funny measurement this. I just got back to site here. These are awkward ones downhill here. It's don't help, and then finish to there. These are last half one here. These are full ones now, so not so bad. And we've just got to clad that gate. That bit'll be done. This is getting taken down, and then we've just got this bit here which they've already got most of them on. We've got the full ones on and one half there, and then he wants these two leaving out for now. There's a site guy because he's got to get in and out. He's doing something around there. Leave that one out, so we'll put that on, and leave that one out I think, and we'll put that on. Problem is that we've been doing his cuts round back and flipping don't work out, so we're having to use extra panels. It's a little nightmare. Look, it's not good there. Anyway, at least most of others now are full panels. But we're all going to go do a gate leaf repair, which has been hit again by a wagon that we installed a while back in Cleckheaton. We're not going there this afternoon because there's loads still to do here. So everything to do yet. Picking bits and bats, bit of tarmac, which we've got there. A good couple of hours here, and tomorrow that's another school in Leeds. So I don't know when we're going to do that gate leaf. That rain's meant to come again tomorrow, so nightmare. Yeah, it's pretty bottomed up. And then that's on the well. And then we're just finishing off on this gate here. We will put a little fill there, which is there. Yeah. And just prepping this on gate. So yeah, we've got Beechcliff finished. We've just loaded up another school there. Some, I think it's 1 metre railings or 1.2, can't remember now. All loaded up, 2 vans, that's got that on. Strapped up. Definitely need another strap on, I think I'll get a strap on it, man. All that is banded. And then we're just getting post mix and water on this one. Level load and water on. And we'll shove us Becker and tools on tomorrow. Oh, we need that tarmac. And then we'll be ready to go. Morning, yeah, so we're just pulling up to this new school we've got to do. Things we've got on there, we've all got us. You know, it's rain. Jamie without his IVs as usual. Well, I started after you. You've been poncing around for 20 minutes. What I'll do is where that new building is there. It's getting fenced off around there, but these guys seem to be taking all room up. We've got 3 vans, so I'm just waiting for a guy to come see me now, so then we'll go around and take a look. Sorry, I don't know if I got a video yesterday on site because where we're working at school in Leeds, it's a live school, and they said no mobile phones. It's about 10 to 7 now. Look at this. I've got my firelighter stuff now. Look at that now. Beauty. You feel the heat here. It's beauty. Let's get that going. Lovely. Yeah. It's still pretty dark. I'm obviously first one here. Look how dark it is. That should be here soon, hopefully. And we'll get loaded up. I'm only in for a couple of hours. I'm going to bridge school to do a weekend that I go to every year. So lads are going over to Leeds to hopefully finish the job we started yesterday, although it's been a nightmare digging. So let's just hope they get that done. Yeah, but there's a lot to do. There's all tarmacking to do around the holes. a bit to do yet, to be honest, sure. It doesn't help, Baggy's on holiday and a few things against us, but it is what it is. So yeah, anyway, I'll wait till lads get here and hopefully we'll get them loaded up and I'll get a video then. So the guys have just now gone. The adults have gone. Look, hopefully it's not a bad day. Nightmare day weather-wise. Although the waterproof supporters all are pretty good. We've got like brace and bib, whatever you call them. They're pretty good. We're all working in them all day, so that's good. At least you can work in them. See, look, my new Pope. Fire's going there. Look, lads are going to get hopefully most of that done today. Might be back there Monday finishing off. But I'm just going to let a client down, which I don't like doing. It was supposed to be there Monday. It's a bit of a nightmare, this job. It's just the digging's just been absolutely horrendous. It's been really hard. It is what it is. We haven't got X-ray vision, have we? So yeah, I shall get on with my admin now. I've got a few things to pay before I get off in a couple of hours, and I'll probably see you before I go. Afternoon, so another week draws to a close here at Airedale. As you can see, I'm not to the yard. I'm just about to get ready actually, and we're away for the weekend in Brid. Scooter rally do we go to every year. So yeah, if you like what we do, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. Have a good weekend and we'll see you next week. Thank you.